Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to see every app you've purchased or downloaded from Google Play in 2025. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and tap your profile icon in the top right. Select Payments and Subscriptions, and then Budget and Order History. Here, you'll see a list of every paid app or in-app purchase you've made. If you just want to see all apps you've ever installed, tap your profile icon again, then go to Manage Apps and Device, and select the Manage tab. At the top, change the filter from Installed to Not Installed. This will show your full history of apps linked to your account, even ones you've deleted. You can also sort by recently added or alphabetical. Phew! Use multiple Google accounts. Make sure you've selected the right one in the Profile menu. And that's it! Now you can easily review your app purchases, reinstall old favorites, or request refunds for recent buys.